Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and to the future mothers to be. I hope you're doing well. And so many things have been happening. Transformation is happening everywhere. I hope you are transforming as well. Our book, my book, Live Like a King Without Going Broke, is now in all local stores. So you can find it on Amazon, Barnes and Noble, iTunes, all the good stuff. And also we have an Etsy store. So all those little t-shirts that you see me wear with my quotes, yes, they are in the Etsy store. All the links will be below. But anyway, today I wanted to talk about transformation. Using the story of the caterpillar, how it becomes a butterfly. There is a process to everything. Imagine if the caterpillar was told that during the larva time, when it's in the cocoon, during that time in the cocoon, everything becomes goo, almost liquid. From that liquid comes the butterfly. So when we are going through transformation, as we are doing life, we are going to come like butterflies. Then there will be that time when we are in the cocoon. That time when you're in the cocoon, that's when you're set apart. That's when most of your friends leave. That's when you change your direction of life. And you wonder maybe something is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. Transformation involves setting yourself apart to rebuild yourself, because the butterfly would not become what it is if it didn't allow that period of getting in the cocoon and turning into goo. What does turning into goo translate in our day-to-day life? It translates destroying of the old mentality, destroying all the things you've built to this point start to diminish, start to go away. Maybe you lose a job, you lose friends, maybe you relocate, maybe there is always a change of some sort that will almost force you, almost make you change direction in terms of the way you look at things. If you're married, maybe you get into a transition of separation or divorce. But there is always a major transformation that happens that forces you to turn into the butterfly. And what is the butterfly in our version? As humans, our version of a butterfly is becoming the authentic you. What were you designed to do in this life, in this time? Why are you here? Are you here just to walk around and conform to every little rule that's going around? Or are you here to become the world changer? If you're here to become the world changer, then be the world changer. Hi guys, welcome. Let me know where you're listening in from. Put a comment below. We are talking about transformation. So as you're coming from the caterpillar through the transformation of the larva, you become liquid. Everything is almost destroyed to reveal the real you, which is the butterfly in this case. So as you're going through the process, be kind to yourself. Set boundaries. Stay true to who you are. Remember your values. What are your core values? What are you willing to tolerate and willing to say no to? Because this is all part of the transformation, and it goes in levels. So you'll change something, go to one level, then maybe stay there for a while, get used to it, then change another thing, then go to a next level. So supposing you want to start a business, right? It may not be the perfect business you can start right now, but it's something to lead you to the next opportunity from one opportunity to another. So be patient with yourself. Allow the natural process of transformation to happen, and don't feel bad while other people are moving on and maybe doing the same old thing and it seems to work for them. If you're listening to me, you are a world changer, you are a history maker, you are a pace setter, because those are the only people who are attracted to my stuff, right? Meaning you're going to go through this transformation. You can't hide from it. It's just the way it is. But you're not alone. You're here to do something wonderful, something great. So stand in your strength. Do what you have to do, one step to another, one step to another, and you will make it. You will make it, because you're not only doing this for yourself, but for your family, for your community. And if more of us can stand in our strength, in our calling, in the run the race and stay in our lane. If you were born to be a teacher, be a teacher. If you are born to be a musician, be a musician, and do it to the best of your ability. We will see our community transforming, and it will be wonderful. As always, this is Mother Ego. I hope this helps you. Go transform and be the world changer you are supposed to be. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.